Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talk about Math.log2. So first you need to know about Math.log object, I mean function or method, anything you want, what you want to say. Um, and if you don't familiar with that, just go and watch my video. I have a video about that, so just go with and watch. And if you and in this case, what it does, math base of the log will be 2. So and now you're gonna say what makes the difference. It will it used in too much in here. That's why I already told you any play with any basis. So yeah, now what we're gonna do is math log 2 and pass something like 3, like that. It will give you 1.58 something. If you put like 2, it will give you 1. The base of log and the number of log is equal. It will if it will be 1. I think the maths, I guess. So geo, and if you put geo, it will give you minus infinity. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.